All right, so we're about to test drive the 2013 Taurus Police Interceptor EcoBoost Twin Turbo. Wet paint, new tints, carpet interior. It's a real sleeper. If you wouldn't know it, you would think it's the civilian version. Fastest police car. There goes the trumpet. Gotta let it go, if not this thing will get to 100. But knocked off the trumpet. All right. Never had a spotlight, never had a cage. Got a fresh service on it. Got the transmission fluid flushed out too. Ready to go. Check out the walk around video.